What's up, guys? What's up? I think we got it. I moved my desk and everything, so I want to check real quick. Can everyone see me and can everyone hear me? Because as you can tell, we got some construction going on. I got the ladder back there, moving things around and everything. The camera is also like kind of like makeshift thing, dude. I wish I could show you a picture and everything. So it's gonna be a little bit wobbly today. I'll figure out a solution for it sometime this week. But I moved my desk and everything because the Wi-Fi kept on cutting out on me while I was trading, and so I needed to move it over here and then make it a little bit easier to connect it to a hardwire. So, but anyway, guys, welcome to the New Age Wall Street Stockcast, Sunday Stockcast. Appreciate you being here. We do this every Sunday to get ready for your trading week. Just some free technical analysis and hangs from the New Age Wall Street boys. Dude, I'm ready to get back to it, man. We had Friday off. We had half day on Thursday. So we had 3.5 days off. So, and then even before that, last week, I took Friday off. And then Monday, I was forced to sit out because of the whole Wi-Fi situation. So yeah, I'm ready to get back to trading, finish out the week strong, the year strong, and see, even this cord right here is pulling. Pulling right here, and I got all the wires all nice underneath my desk now. I got some leg room because I'm in the corner. I'm freaking set, guys, set. But like I said, welcome, guys. I appreciate you guys being here. I hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas, got to spend some time with their loved ones, and got to, relax your brain from trading a little bit and kind of just, reset and everything. Sometimes we need that, and I don't think so. We realize that we need it until we actually do get it. So I hope that you guys got some well-needed time off. All right, is the quality of the video good? Because the YouTube thing is telling me that the resolution sucks. But I don't know, dude. So it looks good from my angle, dude. It looks good for me. But yeah, guys, welcome. I didn't quite do anything this weekend. I was supposed to get my son. I don't know if you could see. His presents are right here. I didn't even get to get him for Christmas or anything, Christmas or anything. So his mom is just being a witch about it. So looks good here, bro. Oh, cool, awesome, dude, awesome. Good, thank you, guys. I appreciate it. I had to move my desk over here into the corner, and I think this is gonna work out a lot more better. You can see how big this room is now, kinda. So we're all the way at one end, and then you can see how far it goes. So there's gonna probably be two more sit and stand desks in the middle, and then two more on the other side in the middle, and then in the top there's gonna be TVs hanging from the top. So it'll be really sick once it's all completed. So I actually ordered some more stuff today. So for sure, Nelly jumping right in it. Awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking at for the trade factory here, guys. You can see, you can kind of see the reflection of my things. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm not talking to the mic. The pictures that needs to still be hung up and stuff, and but it'll be sick, dude. So some announcement things. I don't got quite as many announcements we're gonna be doing. Oh, here's what. Give you a little sneak peek. We're gonna be doing a giveaway the month of January. Not going to tell you what we're going to be giving away or anything like that as of yet, and no worries, bro. So we're gonna do a giveaway during the month of January, and we're gonna ramp up into some other things, changing a lot of stuff. We are still doing the $2.99 lifetime membership. That's only good for this week, guys, and then the price isn't going to go up for sure. We already got all the I call it creative, so all the the pricing structure and everything. It just has to be, the button just has to be pressed to be uploaded to the website, and then also to shown on Twitter and things like that. So all that's going to be on there. If you guys want to sign up, like I said, $2.99 lifetime membership, or $179 for a year if you want to, or I think it's $74 right now if you sign up for a month, on a month-to-month basis, and all of that is going to go up. So considering that the value that we present in the room is astronomical, I think we're cutting ourselves a little bit short. So definitely take advantage of that. We're going to start the giveaway also as well in January. I'm really pumped for that. And then what else? Where's my sidekick? Is Darian here? That's another announcement I could also tell you guys. So Darian is officially a New Age Wall Street employee. So he's going to be handling a lot of the social media stuff and admin, customer service things, so I could concentrate on content and stuff for you guys. What is what? The membership, the $299 lifetime membership to the New Age Wall Street Room. So I could put the link for you if you want me to. Let me get it pulled up here, and I'll give you the link. But yeah, what I was saying is that you guys, if you're in the room, you guys know Darian. Um, yeah, so Darian actually, it was really cool. I hope you don't mind me talking about it. He actually proposed for me to work for me. Like he came to me asking to work, which was definitely very refreshing. That was not really used to, people coming to me, and then we took some time to see if we would work well together, and I can't say enough good things about the things he's been doing. So if you guys have been following the Twitter lately, if you guys have been following Instagram, other things and stuff like that, um, that has been Darian. So he's been answering questions, also as well for the memberships and doing a bunch of other stuff too. So I'm really excited. So that allows me to create content and focus on the members, and to also um, get more stuff rolling out and everything. So, and today is also his birthday. So happy birthday to him. If you guys see him, tell him happy birthday, um, and all that. So member, yeah, Hot Potato signed up like a couple weeks ago, and so dude, $2.99, bro. We could get you that back in a couple trades, man. We with the call outs that we do, nothing, bro. Like we'll get you your money back. Drew, what's up? Nice to see you. Lots of new faces in here. Yeah, $299 for a lifetime membership with the New Age Wall Street guys. And then I'll put the link in the chat right here. I was putting it up. I have ADD like a motherfucker. So just give me a second. That's a good thing that a big thing that Darian is really good at is keeping me on task on everything that I need to get done. Dude, it's awesome. So I think he's going to be coming to Albuquerque pretty soon too, so we can work together here for a little bit, and then we'll see what happens. I would like for him to stay with me for a while, and then maybe move to Dallas when we have the trade factory in Dallas. So yeah. Here it is, and I'll pin it for you guys right here. All right, guys. So that's it. Darian helping me out, and then the $2.99 membership, and then also awesome, Drew. We'd be happy to have you, bro. And then the giveaway. So look out for the giveaway stuff in January. So that's going to be a lot of fun, adding some more stuff on there. And then we're going to ramp up into like more of the merchandise stuff. So a lot of you guys that aren't even members have been asking about the merchandise stuff. And it's hard for me to keep up with it, especially with the COVID stuff, because the people that print the shirts and everything, they have to shut down whenever the COVID stuff tells them to shut down, and then my shirts don't get printed, and it's hard to keep up with everything. So we're going to ramp up into that where there's more merchandise and stuff. We're even going to give away some of that stuff as well. So we have lots of ideas and things in the pipelines now. I'm just glad I have help now, dude. Like, I was just like a one-man show, and Charlie was coding stuff for me and doing content for me. But now I have help, which is really nice. See, Anya, watch. Let me show you guys this real quick. So this real quick here, guys. This is so if I cut over here real quick, this is what it's like when I stream on Fridays. This is what you see on YouTube, and then that's a live stream of my chat there on the right hand side, and you could see Anya's right. We don't need more people in the room. Too much value, she said. So, dude, I love that my members, man. I'm glad that you guys find it like. I'm glad, like, because I ask myself all the time, am I doing enough? Like, that's the constant question that I'm always asking myself. So that's pretty cool. All right, guys, let's get into some tickers and things like that. I know Nelly was saying some. Let me see over here. Look, PayPal and Square. Yeah, so everyone knows what's going on with Bitcoin, right? So everyone's talking about Bitcoin right now. That's the big thing. Dude, this was almost at 28,000 earlier. It's kind of pulled back a little bit. So I don't. Oh, I thought it was almost at 28,000. So, very, very awesome if you're holding Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and things like that. So, So pretty cool. I have my boy Adam that you guys have seen before. His I don't know what you call him. His side piece, flavor of the week, whatever you want to call her. She has some Bitcoin. She's in from like 16,000. So, oh, sorry guys, sorry. So right here, so she has some Bitcoin, and so she was gonna sell it at like 19,000. I was like, no, don't fucking sell it. I was like, just freaking hold on to it. And she texted me the other day saying that she's really excited that she held on to it. Um, but yeah, so with that being said, what's a lot of what's going on? You guys know the whole thing with Bitcoin. Visa and Mastercard have been Visa and Mastercard are so they denied like paying like sex workers and porn stuff with their credit cards and things like that. So ever since then, like what's it called? Like Pornhub. I don't know all the sites, guys. Believe it or not, I don't know all these things. Um, they're starting to accept cryptocurrency, and ever since then, we started having this rally here on Bitcoin. So um, with that being said, PayPal is also PayPal released that news that they're going to start being able to accepting Bitcoin for payments and exchange things as well. So PayPal should run in sympathy of Bitcoin. So yeah, you do, bro. Dude, all I know, dude, all I got is a just Pornhub Premium, $9.99 a month, bro. That's all you need, bro. That's it, bro. There's so much stuff that's out there now, bro. You got like stepsisters and stepmoms and step cousins. I'm like, come on, dude. Like, oh my goodness, is it really? Dude, that would be the biggest, probably. Talking very professionally. Obviously, I know we're like joking or whatever, but very professionally, that would probably be one of the biggest IPOs ever, probably. But yeah, so in saying that, PayPal is going to move in sympathy probably with, oh, there it goes. PayPal's going to move in sympathy with Bitcoin. So we may see a pretty nice gap up tomorrow in pre-market. All right. Now, with that being said, and looking at the overall the way that it's going here, right? So this is what the line we had drawn. I think in the room that we were talking about midweek or something, right here where we needed to come back and trace for this as support. Perfect, dude. So perfect. We came back down to the support at this 238. We're going to look to see if we could curl up and keep on going. So hopefully it doesn't gap up too much. We get a nice little dip for an entry, and then this continues going. Along with that, other sympathy tickers along with Bitcoin are Mara, MARA. So Mara moves along with sympathy of Bitcoin and Riot. I also heard at one point Overstock, OSTK, but I think this was like way back in the day, dude, when like crypto was pumping back in like 2017, 2018 or something. Yes. So yeah. So that's my Discord right there. Like if you go right here. So this is my actual Discord chat. The people that are talking in there right now. You can't see the pictures, but he just put a picture of Trump in there. But yeah, we have a Discord chat. We have reference materials, technical indicators, lots of stuff in there. So, so yeah. But Overstock was in. I think they were just trying to get pumped up during that crypto run in like 2017 or whatever it was. But this may be something to look at as well. All right. Bueno. If y'all could stop what you're doing real quick and just like the video, I would super appreciate it. It helps with the YouTube algorithm so that it'll show more people the video that come and join in with us. It's always nice to have more people, more engagement. Dude, look, we have a ghost in the fucking chat, bro. Everyone say hi to Josh. All right, so that was PayPal, and then we got a few bonus ones. So Mara, Riot, also run in sympathy of cryptocurrency. So if you're playing small caps, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of that tomorrow. Let me see here. I feel like I can't breathe. Like I went to the gym earlier. I took a bunch of pre-workouts. Probably when I'm talking really fast. I'm talking 100 miles an hour. Let me see here. What was the other one you said, Nelly? Square. So Square, I don't think is necessarily on the crypto train, but definitely with payment processing and things like that. So finance. I like this dude. So I like where it dipped down to down in this area. You could see it dipped down to the same area. I'll even draw my little liney line here, and that's that. This is going to be our support area. You can see one time, or excuse me, first time was resistance, then support, support, third time support, and then for this to start curling back up the other way. So I do like that as well on Square. All right. Does the membership include? Yep, Discord. Yep. So Discords, and we do member only webinars every Saturday as well. So if you have questions like on your trading throughout the week, I ask my members to bring your annotated charts and your questions, everything else, and I do not leave our member only webinar until every single question has been answered. So this last weekend it was actually a pretty last weekend, the weekend before, was a really good conversation. We're there for 2 hours. So I am there until every single question gets answered, until you feel confident in what we've gone over. So it's not like I'm there just for 15 minutes to say hi, guys. It's nice to we do also do it on Zoom, so it's really nice to be able to see everyone's face and interact with each other, put a face to the name and stuff too. Yeah, Josh. I actually flew out to Josh's house and sat next to him to slap his hand anytime he was trying to place a trade. That's how much of a mentor I was. I flew out to Dallas, and I had a fly swatter, and I just slapped his hand anytime he was trying to FOMO a trade. So that's how dedicated I am. Um, all right. Um, all right. I don't really have a watch list for stuff that I'm looking at for this week. I haven't gotten a chance with my construction that's going on in here and everything that's going on, getting stuff going. I do like the PayPal idea. I do like those ideas. I do like Lemonade, guys. So Lemonade has been absolutely awesome. We called this down here like the 86 level, right? So 83, 86, and then it got above the 100, came back and gave us that compression move again, right? So to break 100 and continue going, I got up to 130. So we had a quick discussion in my chat room about it getting to 150, and I was gonna put 50,000 on it for it to move to 150, and but I thought it was gonna take too long. I thought it was gonna take like a month or two in order for it to get there, and here we are, where it's almost there already. So this thing moves freaking sick for a small ticker, guys, like $5, $6, $7. Actually, let's look at the ATR for Lemonade. I would definitely FinViz. There we go. I would like to see what the ATR is of Lemonade. $9, dude. Come on, bro. This ticker just hit 130 this last week, and it's moving $9. So what is that, like 8% a day? So that one's a really nice mover. I've been really liking Lemonade to get some trades in on that, and that's it. So 9.8. Where'd you get that, Nelly? Did you get it on FinViz too? Let's see here. Study session on Saturday, 12 p.m. New York time. Yep, 12 p.m. market time every Saturday. Oogla Boogla, is GBTC a ticker you want to go over? No, I have one too, but I have too much stuff already on my screen, so I don't have it, dude. I usually just ask the stock bot in the Discord if I really need it. Trump signs COVID relief bill. Oh, he signed it. Oh, but this isn't the stimulus thing. This is to fund the government and everything, right? From what I know, the stimulus stuff, they're supposed to vote on the $2,000 tomorrow. So that's something to watch out for tomorrow, guys. The $2,000 checks, they're supposed to vote on tomorrow. There we go. Here it is. Democrats are called the House lawmakers back to Washington to vote Monday on Trump's proposal to send out 2,000 relief checks. So, yeah. So this is gonna they're gonna vote on that tomorrow. So make sure that you're keeping track of that tomorrow and your positions. All right. Let me see here. Did everyone see that thing in Nashville where the dude blew himself up? What was that about? Like, I don't really keep up with the news and stuff, bro. But I just got like bits and pieces of it, like of this this asshole blew himself up and he was trying to blow up AT&T. Like, bro, like I know it's frustrating when you don't have cell service, but come on. GBTC. I don't know what ticker that one is. GBTC. If it would move in sympathy of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. I don't know enough about this to have an opinion on this here, Oogla Boogla. I apologize, bro. He already signed it. No, he didn't. Did he? Well, that's lame, bro. That sucks, dude. I don't get stimulus money, but I was really rooting for you guys to get the $2,000 for whoever could. Owned by Arc, I think. OTC. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know enough about it to have an opinion or anything. So, I mean, I could just tell you from a technical standpoint. Um, so the lowest it should dip is this 25, right? So this 25.83 or so looks like it's already trying to catch support. So this is kind of our neckline right here. If it falls below that, then we're going to get down to here to this where this was resistance at this 24, and then that should act as support if it breaks below that line right there. Dude, it's cool to see the chat moving, man. I remember I was actually talking to Darian about this, that I was showing him my YouTube, like all the analytics for YouTube and stuff, and there was a time, dude, where like I started these STOCKcast stuff, and I would come into stream, and no one would join me. Like no one would join me to stream, and I was just the only one in here streaming to myself. Um, and I try to act like it didn't bother me. While I'm sure it's still somewhere on YouTube if you go and you search for it. I tried to act like it didn't bother me or anything, and I was like, well, maybe people will watch the replay or whatever, right? But I cried about it like afterwards. That shit fucking sucked. No, the premium actually moves really nice with Lemonade. Now it may get the IV may be a little bit inflated on it, but honestly, it's a sick ticker, bro. I really like it. Lemonade. All right, let me go back up to see what you guys are asking. Georgia runoff. I don't know what that is, hot potato. If you could educate me on what the Georgia runoff is. Nah, he already signed it. Snapchat. Snapchat has been a really nice mover as well here, bro. Look at this flag that's going on. I think this is just some distribution right here, and people taking profit now that it's above 50. What I would say is, like, if it could hold above 48, 49 or so, see if we could get another leg for this to move up. You can see it's already starting to signal compression, but we're making lower highs and lower lows right here. So we're trending to the downside so far right here. So we got to find some support around this 49 or so, and then for this to keep on moving up with Snapchat. So I've actually been liking Twitter as a trader with Snapchat a little bit better. You guys know that they integrated together, and it's almost the same pattern, but I feel like Twitter's been moving a little bit better than Snapchat. So send me the Flow Algo link later, Cruz. Oh, yeah, dude. Let me see here. Lemonade. So didn't really quite give an idea. So I think that this is going to come back down towards this like 120-ish area. This 120 to 125 will we could start compressing and go a little bit sideways. It's just really extended, dude. Thing has moved a lot, like in 2 weeks, bro. So it needs to take a breather. It needs to accumulate, and people need to take some profit here, and then we'll get the next move up to about 150 or so. So 150 was my target from where it broke 100, just based off of the way that it moved and everything. So, and looks like we're gonna get it pretty freaking easy, dude. So, and it's an insurance company, dude. What the fuck is this, dude? Like, it's an insurance company that's moving like a freaking asshole. So, and this was cool too. They won I guess they were in a lawsuit with T-Mobile over the magenta color. Stupid, bro. Yeah, did anyone catch Baba on Thursday into Friday? I do anticipate there's going to be some antsy traders, guys. We also have Santa Rally that usually happens right after Christmas. We're going to get some people that uh, shoot the moon out here tomorrow. So I hope we get some nice opportunities. It looks like it. If you look right here, these are the futures for the S&P so far. This was a really nice flag gapped up right here. Came and broke out of the S2, and now it's making itself further up. So we could wake up to a different situation in the morning, but so far looking very nice for the move up. All right, so Baba, dude, I did. If you guys saw on Twitter, I did get lucky on this, and it was just luck. I'm not gonna say it was any type of skill. I was playing off of the break of the support down here at this 252 to 250 area, and then the news came out for the antitrust probe and monopoly news in China over Alibaba, and I left like 20 grand on the table still from where I covered, guys, but as this was happening, and I could show you this, right? So, give me a second. Here's the handy dandy flow algo. Actually, since I'm here, I'll give you guys the flow algo link. Since I'm here, real quick. For those of you guys that want the flow algo link, it's with my link you get $25. It's $25 for the first 25 days, then it's $150 after that. So. I think I'm the only one that has a discount code out there. Like, if someone else has the discount code, let me know, but I haven't seen anyone else. They are horrible about answering their messages and stuff, so I think whatever. Anyways, when this came down further down here, guys, down towards the 115, 16, or 215, 216 here on Baba, people started buying the calls. So people started buying see like 235 250s right here, right? So longer dated stuff, for it to start bouncing back up here. This so people are already trying to play for that bounce, right? And then see, like, this is a pretty big play right here, right? So 225 for 2.8 million, 1.3 million as well. Oh, this is a leap right here for 220. So I don't, that may be a different play that they're doing. Now the thing is that this is still going to open up SSR on Monday, so we can get somewhat of a short squeeze in where this will move and bounce pretty quickly as well, right? So looking at this on a bigger time frame, like where we're looking at like a 5-minute chart or so, you would just use, this is kind of like your inverse head and shoulders right here. So shoulder, head right here, right? So we'll see how it reacts during pre-market. And then maybe we could play, like, if the market's really strong, it'll start squeezing back up. So that would be really nice if we can do that with those sweeps that we're having. The thing is though, as well, something that you have to note is that this volume that happened on Friday is astronomical on Baba compared to other days. It was like. Where does it say? 141,830,000, right? And then we could say, like, on average it's like kind of like right there, right? So like on this day it was 7 million, dude. So it did almost like 10 times the normal amount of volume on Friday. there was definitely some institutions and big funds and things like that that pulled the parachute and got the fuck out of Baba on Friday. So there may not be much interest in it. You know, tomorrow we'll see what happens at that point. Okay. Um, we may have, I think that there's going to be a lot of opportunities elsewhere. Like one big one, right, is Tesla. I think that we get to towards 700 on Tesla tomorrow. What do you guys think? So that would be a big one. So I think people are going to be concentrated on opportunities other places than Baba, to be honest. I hate Baba, but trade it this week. Biden will get a larger amount of money to spend on his Green Deal, and pot might be legalized federally. Huge amount of money will be pumped into infrastructure too. I agree with you. So I agree with you 100% on that. Pot stocks are definitely hot in the small caps and stuff like that. Tilray went on a run, right? So Tilray's always been a big one. Let's see. It gapped up. See, I'm talking about this day right here where it gapped up. Right here. And so yeah, Tilray and all those other pot stocks definitely. I don't know what's up with the Green Deal. Obviously, the whole EV thing is definitely really big, right? Even Apple's jumping in it. That is the way that things are gonna go. So I think was it Mike that was playing lithium tickers this last week? Some of the guys in my room were playing lithium and doing, pretty good on those tickers. I don't know what the tickers are. I didn't play any of those. Huge. Yeah. Yeah. So cool. Dude, we got 36 people in here. Awesome, bro. Nice to have all you guys in here, bro. Like I was saying earlier, man, I used to just stream to myself like it was a freaking full stadium. So, yeah, it's cool to have you guys here. If you guys could go share the video on Twitter, share it on Instagram, share it with your dog, your grandma. Hell, if you want to piss off your mother-in-law, go share it with her so she has to listen to me. NMDM. So yeah, this one's one that you guys in the room were playing it as well here. Bags actually called this out. This wasn't something I did, but this so that we had this move up, retrace rate, which is almost compression. It didn't really signal compression yet, but I believe he signaled around in this area, and then it moved up to 10, and he bailed out on 10. So now we're gonna be looking at like 850, looking at our neckline. So it has to hold above 8 and then continue to go further up. Need 34 thumbs up. Hell yeah, that would be awesome, bro. 34 thumbs up. Honestly, bro, you guys would make my freaking year if you did that shit, bro. Like, long time coming, man. A lot of work, a lot of late nights and stuff. It's really cool to see this shit, bro. I appreciate every single one of you. No joke. Yeah. And then he was also looking at ZNGA also for the pullback as well. So now it's like flagging down, right? It's starting to show the compression. So we could start making another curl up move once it gets above 10 for the confirmation, for another move here on ZNGA as well. FCEL is one of the ones that is trying to do like they're trying to do batteries and like charging stations and stuff, right, for lithium, if I'm correct. Yeah, see, like right here. So, especially if they just if they pass the stimulus stuff, right? So like how they're saying they're gonna get more money, then that's awesome. So this is a really nice flag off of right here. We'll see if we could open up gap up. So this would be a really nice dip and rip for the morning on this one. For those of you guys that are playing and you guys are in the stock market, you guys are trading right now, guys. Dude, There are so many opportunities right now, man. Please just narrow your focus. Pick, max 3 tickers in the morning and focus on those, dude. Like, there's this is a once in a lifetime opportunity in the market for you to be very, very successful at this. Um, I was actually looking at the overall volume in the market compared to in the past when I first started trading, and there's nothing like it, dude. Like even in options, it's so easy. Well, not easy, but it's a lot. The liquidity is so nice to be able to get in and out of trades, and it's just you. I feel like you guys are spoiled, bro. You guys, I didn't have all this stuff when I was first learning, so please take advantage of it. Please realize that it's an opportunity and be disciplined with the opportunity that you have presented to you. Because if it walks past you, and you're going to be kicking yourself in the ass, for a long time. Yeah, FCEL was really nice. Squirrel. Disney. What was I say something and then I went totally different direction? Hey, Maria. Thank you, dude. Oh, I say dude, but I know you're a woman. Call everyone dude and bruh. Look at this breakout right here on the futures, bro. We're gonna get to all time highs. Watch. 372 is all time highs. I bet we open up gap up over that tomorrow. I don't know if you guys could hear, but they're racing outside. Um, cool. On Disney here, dude, this is a really nice flag. This distribution right here. So run up, flag sideways, right? So we got our compression that's coming in right in this area. If we were to come like to this daily chart, I'm sure it'll not quite, but you could see where it's compressing and starting to consolidate sideways. So if we could open up and get above this 175, I do like this move here on Disney. Actually, I'm going to keep that for myself. So whoever called that out, I'm going to take your call right here for tomorrow. Okay. Bueno. Just in comparison, which is really cool, and this is another squirrel moment for me. So AMD and Lemonade were the same freaking price last week, and look at where they are. Look at how they're trading compared to each other. So, is there really only one like? I know I hit the like button. It says 19, bro. That's the most I've ever had, I think. Dude. Whenever we have, I told Darian. I don't know if you guys watch Dave Portnoy from Barstool Sports, El Presidente. He has this thing like in his office where he has bottles of champagne for like milestones or like enemies that he takes down. And I'm gonna do one for 50 on a STOCKcast. If we could get 50 people in here, I'll pop a bottle of champagne on our STOCKcast or something. We get 50 people in here, and then we'll do 200. We'll do 100 and whatever. So that'll be really, really freaking cool, dude. Yeah, Disney, dude, is definitely gonna get to 200. So 200 is gonna be the magnet, dude. It's just how it's gonna get there. Yeah, I like Disney for the long term. I like that move. Um, all right. Um, BLNK. I know you like BLNK there, Mike. I freaking hate this ticker, bro. I think it's just from my small cap days. It's not the same ticker anymore, though, dude. It's definitely not. We got this $50 price target. Obviously, that's going to be your, huge magnet, right? So your whole number magnet of $50. We may get another little spike up again. Sorry, I'm hiccuping. And then we're going to get that distribution of people taking profit against the 50. It should pull back, and then we'll get another curl back up, kind of like this, right? So you see how this spiked up, came back, accumulated, went sideways, and then ran up again. The same thing will happen right here. Awesome, guys. Any other tickers you guys want me to go over? I think my main list that I'm going to be looking at is going to be PayPal off of the Bitcoin run, right? Tesla and and lemonade. So those three, and then I also have I'm also been looking at Dropbox. So I want a Dropbox to break out right here. So this 22, 23 area, and to get to 25, we got to 25, and now we kind of got this flag up. So I think we're gonna curl back up to get to the all-time highs, and then continue going here on Dropbox as well. So I like that too. I'll pop a bottle of Bill. Yeah, dude. Oh, bro, like as long as I don't get any on my trading station, bro. Like as long as the trade station's good, I'll be freaking pumped, bro. So, um, yeah, dude, I'm really, really excited for the future. We talked about in our, I gotta upload it to the Discord, guys. I apologize, I've been busy. But let's take a moment real quick, and we should already be setting goals for ourselves, and um, kind of looking at what we did for 2020, right, or 2020 or whatever. Um, for you to start making your goals in December, and so one thing I don't want to remind you is that there's a difference between a goal and then there's a plan on how you're going to get there, right? So you could set a goal, right? But you also got to set smaller goals and a plan to be able to go ahead and accomplish the overall task at hand, right? So no one ever got anywhere without having a plan of how they're going to have a plan of attack to tackle on their tasks and everything. And what I would tell you is that definitely make a realistic goal, right? A realistic goal of what you want to accomplish, and don't be afraid to also make a stretch goal, right? So something that you think is absolutely impossible, that you don't think that you're going to be able to make, like kind of like you look at it and you're like, man, I might be able to do it. I might it's like it will definitely take my everything I got for me to make that. Don't be afraid to make those types of goals, man, because even if you don't accomplish those stretch goals, you're gonna wind up accomplishing more than what you would have done if you sold yourself short on something that you could accomplish. What's up, Angelo? We got a lot of stuff that is in our membership. So we got a Discord room. We have a OneNote with all our setups. We have member-only webinars. We have merch. We have I live stream. So I live stream every day with my members. So I get on the mic just like this. I also share my screen the way that I'm kind of doing right now, and I share my screen and explain the setups live. So it's almost like I'm sitting next to you, trading with you, and I answer everyone's questions. There's also some great, very well, what do you call them? Experienced traders in my room as well that trade a little bit different stylistically than me, and yeah, bro, like we got a lot going on, dude. It's really freaking awesome. Yeah, bro. What's your name in the chat? Face Mana team. What do I think of XL? I don't know what this is. XL. XL Fleet? Is this like shipping, or it's an IPO? I don't play IPOs, brother. So I don't have an opinion on it, to be honest. And I'm not like everyone else that is just gonna shoot out hot air at you just because you call it a ticker. I really don't know, so I'm not gonna say something I don't know. Yeah, so up at the top, it was also pinned the $2.99 lifetime membership if you want to sign up, dude. It's only going to be good up until end of the day, December 31st, all right? And then we're changing everything. Down the street from your house, they are a competitor to IDEX. I don't know what either of those are. There's so many new tickers that everyone is playing. Dude, this is actually a really nice setup, though. I really like this setup right here. So you got the spike up, come down, accumulate, right? This could actually get going pretty nicely right here. This is a really nice setup right here for you guys that like the smaller price tickers. Let's come back and review this next week. Someone remind me. Evie, yeah, dude, I like the setup so far. 2021 YOLO. I think you'll get it, bro. To be honest, we may get it. This is kind of a weak kind of a cup, but this may like kind of cup up to like the $3 handle and then continue going further up. That's the way I would kind of look to play this. Yeah. Cool, man. All right. Any other tickers you guys have? Oh, this is nice, bro. Like being in the corner right here, I can stretch my legs out now. Oh, another one I played this last week was Pen. So we're trying to make that move up to get over 100. I think we'll accumulate a little bit more. So this 93, 94 area for us to hold above, right? And then kind of distribute and then go sideways and then make another run at breaking above that 100, kind of like the way that Lemonade did, right? So if we come back a little bit further out. So how it spiked over 100 this first time, right? Came back, accumulated, and then is run up and keep on going after that. So I think this will kind of go the same way. So we get up to 100, pull back, and then we'll break above and then keep on going. So I've been keeping track of these. The Pen, obviously, dude. I'm not gonna bet against Portnoy, bro. That's dude. He's really good, and then he knows what the fuck he's doing, bro. Like, obviously, he's into like doing the whole good deed thing and everything that he's doing right now with Barstool Fund that he's doing. He's doing that, but he knows that it's also reaching other people, and it's marketing for him, and he's writing it off for taxes. So he's not an idiot, bro. DKNG. Yeah, DKNG is kind of stuck right here in this range, so whatever. IDX. I don't have any position on IDX. Excuse me. Cool. Awesome, guys. I think let me see analytics. Yeah, so the most concurrent viewers we had was 34. Appreciate it. Does anyone have any other tickers, or you don't have to even like analyze tickers, guys. If you're working on something specifically in your trading, if you have a question about one of my technical indicators, anything with your trading personally, don't feel ashamed to ask. There's other people that are also having probably the same question, and they're, as soon as you ask, they're gonna be like, oh, I had that question too. So if you if you wanna ask anything related to trading or anything, I'm here to definitely help you out, and this is your chance to be able to do that. I'm committed to helping you guys out while I'm here live with you. So QS has been pretty cool. So this is James's baby right here, kind of getting that flag going now, right? So up flag, holding this 106, and we'll see if it can. I think this will go sideways a little bit more before it makes another break above this 120, 121. You can see how, like, in this area, this is going to act as resistance here, right? So, like, right here. That's your resistance. And then, so this needs to build up a little bit before it starts curling back up. Bueno. Who's going to come trade with me at the trade factory when I have all the desks and everything in here, guys? I need some bodies in here to come trade with me, bro. Did you I posted a picture in my chat of my light board and everything. I'm really freaking pumped about that. Oh, I like Adobe, dude. I like Adobe and like the setups it gives and stuff, dude, but sometimes the options on it is the options on Adobe, they have really big spreads sometimes, and it trades very, very thin. I do like that it is coming up to these highs again, right? So around this 509, 510 area. and it's making these higher lows, right? So well, I just don't want it to peter out because there's no volume in this, within the last week. So we have to hold around this like 500 area. It has to hold 500, and then put in another higher high here to continue the trend of it moving up. It's such a small mover too. Sometimes, dude, like see, like the high of this was 503 and then 498. So like, what is that? $4. Um, so yeah, sometimes it does give some really nice setups and stuff. But like I said, it trades really thin, and the spreads for the options sometimes the liquidity on them are not there. So I don't personally like it. But I know that like Bags likes trading this sometimes, and I think it is time for it to start trying to break out and move up, right? So all the OnlyFans models are over here photoshopping everything that they can, so they definitely got to be making a profit. MSTR, is that Monster or MSTR? MicroStrategy. We kind of missed the cup kind of compression play right here, holding this 300. We kind of got this. We could count this as the handle part right here of it dipping down to the three. What is this, 320 or so? So if this holds around this 320 to start making the move and continue going further up, I really do like this play right here on MSTR. I don't know the company. I don't know the fundamentals of it or anything like that. Just from a purely a technical standpoint, I like this cup and then handle, and then for this to continue making a move up to this 350. Goldman Sachs. Okay. I'll be hitting there. WKHS. So WKHS, bro. This is a little bit. The last I traded this, they were trying to make electric. XL fleet spikes on CEO, CBNC plug, Citron's long call. Oh, Citron is long XL fleet? That's suspicious. Let me have a second looky-loo here. Oh, this is the one that's the IPO that I didn't say. Weird, bro. Yeah, I'm still not going to say anything, but really weird that Citron jumped into this right away. Um, but anyways, back to the WKHS. The last thing I knew was when President Trump was kind of pumping them and then saying that they were going to make like EV postal trucks or whatever. Is that still a thing or no? Honestly, dude, I know I butcher your name every single time. Is it Maria? Please let me know how to say your name because I feel bad every single time. But yeah, I think so. Right here, right, if we get a little dip down to like this 22, absolutely, this is like kind of like this flag. We missed the compression play. Look at this compression right here, right? Signaled by the TTM. We had the cross right here, so your entry would have been obviously hindsight's 2020, right? But if you were to be able to buy the dips down to the support here in this $20 range, sick run up already, right? So then for this to continue going, the first area that you'd be looking at it for it to get to is this going to be like 25, and then continue going further than that. So. Just out of curiosity, guys, did anyone get who's gotten vaccinated? Did you guys have any type of did you guys have any type of what do you call them? No. Yeah, I don't think I'll get vaccinated either. I actually passed my COVID test. It says I've tested not negative, dude. That was the easiest test passed in my life, bro. To be honest, couldn't even pass other tests. GS, dude. The banks, bro. The banks, GS, BAC, Wells Fargo, right? They're I don't like playing them, man, because they move so slow, dude. Like obviously it's in a really nice trend and everything. Like I freaking get it, dude. Like we come to this big ass time frame, we could see like this compression where sideways, right? So like for this, this big move, so compression here on this weekly chart, 188 to 256. We broke up above here. Now the next target's gonna be this like 275. So absolutely, dude. Like I see what you're playing for and stuff. I don't like playing them. That's just my preference. But I would think this would dip down one more time to 250, kind of cement that kind of flag and distribution, and then make another move. Zoom gap down smackdown setup. Look at your profile. Yeah, we could look at that real quick. So Zoom got into doing like this. We talked about the head and shoulders, right, on Zoom. So shoulder, head, and then for this to come down. If this starts breaking into this 372, this is almost like that Zoom setup that we had this past week, right? So I could put it right here. Or excuse me, not Zoom, Baba. So almost like the Baba setup right here, where it just kept on testing this, this area right here, this 252, 250. Same thing that it's doing right here. It almost looks exactly the same, dude. If I were to cover the names right here and put these, in there, it almost looks exactly the same. Watch if I put yeah, that's funny, dude. And so same setup, yeah, kind of exactly what you're saying, right? So if we get any type of pop up or anything here, tomorrow, or even a gap down, absolutely fucking hit it, bro. I don't know if it's I'll tell you guys in the morning if it's SSR, but if it breaks this 375, we're gonna go for a ride to the downside for sure. So yeah, 375 to 370 is the area that we got to break, and then we have 350. Then we have this gap to 330. So I'm gonna be keeping track of this with you. I'll trade it with you tomorrow. Not NOx. I don't know what this is. NOx. This is a sideways chart, bro. There ain't nothing right here, bro. You kind of got like a cup type thing where it's holding and stuff like this. It's not really something I would be looking at. I don't know what they do or anything like this. Nano X imaging. Are they doing like the temperature imaging stuff, like that one company? MARK. What's up? No, no worries. No, has he texted you?
No, but I saw his truck downstairs, so I'm assuming he's somewhere.
He's probably pooping, to be honest.
Oh, nice.
He'll be right out. Sorry, my boy's appointment got here. So yeah. Dude, she got me distracted. She's hot, bro. If you guys, dude, Middle Eastern women are slept on, bro. Like slept on when freaking underrated, bro. And she's Persian, so the word on Baba, bro. There was some big sweeps and stuff on the Flow Algo, so I had showed the sweeps on Flow Algo, so it's contingent on the price action for tomorrow. It's still going to be SSR, so for it would be nice to play the bounce, but we'll have to see that volume come in. What I think is going to happen is that the attention is going to be elsewhere on other opportunities, and it's not going to do too much tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll definitely keep an eye on it. posted. And then again, the IV is probably super low, and if it moved again like that, it would make money. The problem is the bank's play. The bank's play has completed the moment they announced buybacks now. Yeah, so they're doing buybacks, and then also, did you see Baba announce that they're doing buybacks as well? So sucks. No, so hey Lou, dude, I've been missing you, bro. Good to see you, dude. Swing trading is the best. Honestly, right now, I was a big, I was, I was at like I wasn't advocating for swing trading. I want like during this like summerish into the fall, there's still a lot of volatility, but now the market definitely has a trend, and I do think that it is a little bit safer for us to swing trade. There's a lot big money opportunities in the swing trading. Obviously, like you've seen me hold overnight on Baba. Um, Bags in my room, he consistently makes 20, 30, 40,000 on his overnight holds. So I'm personally, that's something I'm working on myself as a trader, is to hold for those bigger trades. Um, so absolutely, but definitely make sure that you. I think someone we were talking about swing trading in the room the other day, and someone's room, excuse me, someone's rule is to only hold 25% of their normal holdings, and so yeah. So that's a really good way to mitigate your risk, right? So like if you're if your normal if your normal sizing is like 5 contracts, say it's usually like 5 contracts, then maybe only use one contract overnight or 2 contracts overnight or something like that. And then what happens is if you do that, you could still catch some pretty nice moves where like on Baba, right? So like if you were to hold just a small amount of Baba like on that day, on the spike up, or even like right here on these bounces, you could add back into your trades what you already sold the day prior. So you could always go ahead and average into your trade once it is going in the direction that the favorable direction for you. Yeah, and that's exactly my one of my biggest 2021 goals. Hot potato is to trade less and make more. So I think that's all of our as a trader. That's all of us, right? So we want to trade less and make more, right? So um, be able to mitigate our risk a little bit more. And I think I did. That was one of the biggest things that I set out for in 2020. If you go into my YouTube and look at what my goals for 2020 was to take less trades and more. And I think like I was a scalping fool 2019 going into 2020, but it was kind of a necessity because I was still building my account, right? So the way I mitigated my risk was by not exposing myself to the market, just nailing and belling, taking the profit very quickly, right? Now I'm at a point where I can, put a little bit of risk on and be able to, sit tight a little bit to let things work out and stuff. And I also, I'm also here all day. I'm here in front of the screens all day, even if I'm doing other work and stuff. So it's okay. Like I could babysit the positions and everything. I don't feel so pressed on it. So that's definitely one of the big things for me in 2021. TTD. I don't know what TTD is. TTD. We have a strip club here in Albuquerque called TDs. That's what it reminds me of. I'm pretty sure if you go there though, you're immune to COVID. Keep down, yeah. All right, so on this one, dude, it's you can tell it's kind of gonna try to peter out before it gets to 1,000. I don't know, run to 970. Yeah, you wanting it to get to 970? Yeah, so you can see where the support is right here, like the 925, right? So obviously first stop 950, and then you could get up to the highs again. But there's no volume in here. This has just been like a steady, steady right here volume. There's not been anything too exciting. I would want someone to step in here and up this volume for it to make that move to 1,000. But I think this is a little bit different of a ticker than what I usually trade. Not something I would be too happy at taking out this far extended. This bottom is in November, right? So November 2 right here is almost like a 50% or 100% move, and without really a down tick or a pullback and no volume, I don't like it, dude, to be honest. At work, dude, good, bro. Dirty hands mean clean money, bro. Always a good thing, bro. I'm glad you're safe. All right, guys, we've been live. Oh, you got the Moderna. How's the Moderna one? I hear everyone getting Pfizer, but the Moderna one is a little bit different, right? So while you answer me there, Lou, will go over shop. I don't trade shop, Phil, because usually the spreads on this are freaking horrible, bro. On even on the equity, the spreads are horrible on just the equity. Like, we're talking dollars, dude. I don't trade it, bro. So it's on my DNT list. I don't even really want to give advice on this or anything. Like, you could see where this right here. 1207 to right here. So this would be your area of interest right here for it to go ahead and stay above and then try to move up. But yeah. Wow. Exactly, Phil. Dude, don't fucking touch that shit, bro. Like, there's a reason why it's on my DNT list, bro. Like, and you can't trade like that, bro. Like, you can't trade like that. So I'll tell you what, guys. Oh, there he is. What up? Oh, you did it already?
Yeah, I did it.
Is it cool?
Oh yeah, it's easy. Are you streaming?
Yeah. You want to say hi?
No.
You look like you should be lost in the woods somewhere right now.
I'm lost for sure though. But I'll be over there.
Okay, cool.
But yeah.
I'll be over there in a bit. He milled. I don't know if you guys know, so you guys all know my story, right? So I did time. I have my felony stuff and everything, right? So I'm not supposed to be able to own a gun, but this company, it's called P80. They make what's called a 80% frame, and then you can mill it yourself, and it's a really nice frame and stuff. If you guys are interested in seeing how it came out, I could send you pictures and stuff. But he had the Dremel and everything to be able to do it, so he was showing me that. So cool, bro. Yeah, we've been on for about an hour, 15 minutes, bro. We got 23 likes, 34 people. I certainly appreciate you guys. We'll throw a party or something. Would you guys be interested if I gave away free New Age Wall Street stickers? I think I could, I'm just going to run like a big old thing of stickers. And then I think me and Darian had talked about doing a contest of seeing the funniest place that you could stick one. Just the weirdest place and stuff like that. And I'll just give out stickers and see where you guys, place them and everything. That would be pretty cool. So I'll do a run of them and then put them on there. Now he was even saying that I should make a cartoon version of myself. And so then there's my face everywhere. You put them at the gas station pumps or your favorite bar restroom or whatever you want to put. But let me know if that's a really good idea, and then I'll figure out a way, and I'll just send them out to you. So that'll be really cool. But that's it, guys. I appreciate you. We will see you on what day is New Year's? On the first. So the market's closed on Friday again, right? So we will have TGIF stream on Thursday like we did this last week. So if you want to come, if you're not a member and you want to come trade live with me, come on Thursday, half hour before market open. We'll make a watch list and we'll trade live together. And then my screen will look like this. It'll look like this, so then you could see what my chat is actually calling out and actually talking about in our room. And so you'll be able to like kind of indirectly interact with them and things like that. So you basically get to be an honorary member of the New Age Wall Street for the opening session. So that'll be on Thursday if you want to come hang out. Like I said, $2.99 lifetime memberships. Those are going to be until Thursday at midnight. And then everyone go and wish Darian a happy birthday for me. All right, guys? We'll see you guys on Thursday.